All right, so let me show you how cool this is here. So I'm modifying a markdown file and I'm trying to turn these various links here. Well, they're not links yet. These files that are referenced, I want to turn those into links here. And you can see I've already done the first one up above here. So now the second one, I want to change this, and I've got Supermaven running right now. And if I just insert here, and actually I think it's doing it without me needing to put anything else here, you can see over on the right, it's got some suggested text there. If I just hit tab here to accept that, look at that. It replaces what was there before. I have the exact same text as I had before, except now I've got a link to the file. And of course, I want to do the same thing down here. So maybe I'll just hit insert mode right here. There's the next one. And last up here, there's the next one. So just like that, I can turn these into links. I don't have to bother with fiddling with creating a link, opening up the square braces, and then adding in the path to each file. It's just doing it for me based on the fact that I already did one of these by hand up here, then it does the rest for me. So this is a great use case when it comes to these Copilot-like tools. Supermaven is basically an alternative to GitHub Copilot. And the neat thing is, this is not just tacking something onto the end of a line or generating new lines after the current line. Instead, this actually requires not only fill in the middle, but also fill in the surrounding context. So if I take a look at the diff here, you can see this. So the modifications here, we actually added something before. That's this little opening brace. And actually, this is the one I did before the demo here. Let me scroll down here. Sorry, the diff is a bit hard to read. It might be better for some of the last ones here. Okay, so for number 3 here, we have this as the first part of the line. All right, so we added the square bracket before that. And then we add the ending part of the markdown link here. And then we kept the existing explanation as is. So we preserved 2 parts of the line and we inserted 2 new chunks to that exact same line. In fact, we preserved 3 parts of the line because we also had to keep the number 3 that's at the very start of the line. That is not an easy thing to do. That's basically fill in the middle twice. That's something I've only seen Supermaven be able to do. So if you haven't taken a look at it yet, definitely check it out. Take it for a test drive. You won't be disappointed.